Success! We have found the Shoebill Stork. To see this bird in its natural habitat in the wild, absolutely amazing. There are only 1,000 of these birds here in Uganda. And to see this, yes, this completes my trip. This prehistoric creature beyond the realm of imagination and beast of unparalleled antiquity gets its name due to its large shoe-shaped bill. Its genus is derived from the Latin words balena meaning whale and caput meaning head, giving rise to its nicknames the whale-headed stork or whale-billed stork. It is said that shoebills are thought to have evolved from carnivorous dinosaurs called theropods, which the Tyrannosaurus rex belongs to. But the closest living relative to this prehistoric animal is the hammerkop. Their bill is straw-coloured with greyish markings of bony keratin, and it is the third largest among all existing avian species, surpassed only by the pelican and marabou stork. It has distinct blue-grey plumage with darker slate-grey flight feathers. Although their diet is predominantly made up of fish, they are also known to feast on a range of wetland vertebrates including frogs, monitor lizards, snakes and juvenile crocodiles. They are also known to eat turtles, rodents and snails. The shoebill cleverly hunts in poorly oxygenated water, where its prey are forced to surface for air, making easy pickings. Beautiful. Evolution has equipped this bird with long splayed toes and claws, dispersing weight over the largest possible surface area, enabling it to make its home on floating vegetation and stand perfectly still waiting for prey hunting in the swamp marshes. The shoebill stands at the dizzy heights of up to 5 feet tall, with a wingspan of up to 8 meters. Shoebill storks form pairs only for the breeding season. The female lays 1 to 3 eggs, incubated by both parents for around 30 days, but typically they only focus on one chick, and any others that hatch usually perish. These birds can live up to 36 years in their natural habitat and 50 years in captivity. However, they face grave dangers in their continued existence, with habitat loss, disturbance and hunting. Latest estimates suggest there are only 5,000 to 8,000 individuals left in the world, and their overall population is declining. Let's hope we can turn things around and it's not too late for this bastion of another age.